Raj was a simple boy from a small village in India. He lived with his parents and his younger sister. His family was not rich, but they were happy. Raj always wanted to do something big in life. From a young age, he was interested in computers. He would go to the nearby internet cafe and learn about websites and coding by watching free videos online. His English was not very good, but he always tried to improve. He read simple English books, watched cartoons in English, and practiced speaking with his friends. One day, Raj saw an advertisement on his phone. It said, "Study in Canada, scholarship available." His heart started beating fast. He clicked on the ad and read more. The ad said that students who have good grades and a basic knowledge of English could apply. Raj got excited. He ran to his mother and showed her the phone. "Ma, look, this says I can go to Canada and study for free." His mother looked at the screen and smiled. "But your English is not strong, beta." "I know, Ma, but I will practice more. I will work hard." His mother touched his head and said, "Then go ahead, my son. Try your best." From that day, Raj began to study English seriously. Every morning, he listened to English news. In the afternoon, he wrote 5 sentences in English. In the evening, he practiced speaking with his sister. She laughed at him sometimes, but she always helped. After 3 months, Raj gave his English test. It was not easy, but he did his best. When the result came, Raj jumped with joy. He had passed. He quickly filled out the application for the Canadian college. A few weeks later, he got a reply. "Congratulations, Raj. You have been selected for the scholarship." He could not believe it. He showed the letter to his parents. They were so proud. Raj hugged his father and said, "I will make you proud." The next few weeks went by fast. Raj got his passport, visa, and packed his bag. The day of his flight came. At the airport, his mother had tears in her eyes. "Take care of yourself, my son. Eat on time, wear warm clothes, and call us often." "I will, Ma," Raj said, hugging her tightly. Raj boarded the flight. It was his first time on a plane. He looked out of the window and smiled. He was flying to his dream. When he landed in Canada, everything looked different. The air was cold, the people looked different, and the signs were all in English. Raj felt nervous, but he reminded himself, "I came here to learn. I can do this." A man from the college came to pick him up. "Hello, are you Raj?" he asked. "Yes, I am Raj," he replied. "Welcome to Canada. I'm Alex. I will take you to your hostel." "Thank you, sir," Raj said politely. The ride to the hostel was quiet. Raj looked out at the tall buildings and wide roads. The city was clean and beautiful. At the hostel, he met students from many countries: China, Brazil, Nigeria, and others. Everyone spoke in English. Raj found it hard to understand some words, but he listened carefully. His roommate was a boy named Leo from Brazil. Leo was friendly and always smiled. "Hi, I'm Leo. What's your name?" he asked. "I'm Raj." "Nice to meet you," Raj replied. "Nice to meet you too, Raj. Your English is good." "Not very good," Raj said, laughing. "I try." "That's great. We can help each other." In the next few days, Raj started attending classes. His teachers were kind, and the classes were interesting. But he faced many problems. He could not understand everything the teacher said. When other students talked fast, he got confused. Sometimes, he made mistakes while speaking. He felt shy. One day, he even thought, "Maybe I don't belong here." That night, Raj called his father. "Papa, it is hard here. Everyone speaks so fast. I feel stupid." His father listened and said, "Raj, remember how you learned to ride a bicycle? You fell many times, but you got up every time. English is also like that. Fall, get up, try again." Raj wiped his tears and smiled. "Yes, Papa. I will try again." The next day, he went to the library and picked up simple English books. He joined an English-speaking club at college. He started watching English movies with subtitles. Slowly, he began to improve. He also started helping other students with computer skills. In return, they helped him with English. One afternoon, Leo asked, "Raj, do you want to come to the supermarket with me?" "Yes, let's go," Raj replied. At the supermarket, everything looked big and shiny. Raj saw many items he had never seen before. At the billing counter, the lady asked, "Do you want a bag?" Raj looked at Leo. What she said? She asked if you want a bag. Oh, yes, I want a bag. Leo smiled. You're learning fast. Back at the hostel, Raj made tea and shared it with Leo. This is chai. My mother makes it at home. Wow, it's good, Leo said. They laughed and talked about their families, food, and festivals. Raj felt happy. He was making friends. A few months later, Raj gave a presentation in class. He was nervous at first, but he had practiced. He spoke slowly and clearly. After the presentation, his teacher clapped. Well done, Raj. You have improved a lot. The class also clapped. Raj smiled and said, "Thank you, everyone." After class, a girl named Emily came to him. "Hi, Raj, I liked your presentation. Can you help me with the computer project?" Raj nodded. "Sure, I can help." They started working together. Emily spoke clearly and helped Raj with pronunciation. In return, Raj helped her with her project. Time passed. Raj became more confident. He joined a part-time job at a cafe. His job was to take orders and serve food. On his first day, he made a mistake. "1 burger and 2 cold coffee," he repeated. The customer said, "No, I said hot coffee." Raj felt embarrassed. "I'm sorry. I will bring hot coffee." After work, the manager said, "Raj, it's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Just listen carefully next time." "Thank you, sir," Raj said. By the 3rd month, Raj was handling many customers with ease. He always greeted people with a smile and said, "Good morning. What would you like to order?" One day, a lady came and said, "You are from India, right?" "Yes, ma'am," Raj replied. "My husband works in Delhi. You speak good English." Raj felt proud. "Thank you. I'm still learning." Back at college, Raj got good marks in his exams. His teacher told him, "Raj, I'm proud of your progress. You came here with little English, and now look at you." "Thank you, sir. I worked hard." At night, Raj called his mother. "Ma, I gave tea to my Canadian friend. Did he like it?" she asked. "Yes, he loved it." She laughed. "Then you are doing well." Raj felt warm inside. Even though he was far from home, he felt connected. One weekend, Raj and his friends went to a park. They played games, shared food, and spoke in English. Raj noticed that now he was not scared to speak. He could express himself. Leo said, "Raj, do you remember your first day? You were so quiet." Raj laughed. "Yes, I was scared." "Now you speak better than me," Leo said. "Maybe, but we both are learning." One day, Raj got a message. It was from his college. "You have been selected as a student mentor." Raj read it twice. He could not believe it. He ran to Leo and said, "Look, I will help new students now." "You deserve it, my friend." Raj thought of his journey from a small village to becoming a mentor in a foreign land. It was not easy, but he never gave up. He believed in himself and worked hard. That night, he wrote in his diary, "When I came here, I was afraid. I didn't understand the language. But I kept going. I asked for help. I learned new words. I made friends. Now I feel like I belong here." He smiled and looked out of the window. The city lights were shining. His heart was full of hope. He still made mistakes, but now he was not afraid of them. He had learned that mistakes are part of learning. He was not perfect, but he was improving every day. And that was enough. A few months later, winter arrived in Canada. Everything was covered in snow. Raj had never seen snow before. The first time he stepped outside and saw the ground all white, he stood still and smiled. It felt like a dream. He took pictures and sent them to his family. His sister replied with a voice message, "Bia, it looks like a movie." Raj laughed and sent her a video of snow falling on his coat. Life was changing around him, and slowly, he was changing too. He was becoming more confident, more open, and more hopeful. But even as he enjoyed his new life, he missed home. The smell of his mother's food, his father's morning tea, and the sound of his sister's silly jokes. One evening, Raj was sitting in the library when he saw a boy sitting alone in the corner, looking nervous. He reminded Raj of himself. when he had first arrived. Raj walked over and sat beside him. "Hi, I'm Raj. Are you new here?" The boy looked up and nodded. "Yes, my name is Armin. I just came from Bangladesh. My English is not very good." Raj smiled. "Don't worry. My English was not good either when I came. But you will learn. I can help you." Armin looked surprised. "Really? You don't mind?" Raj shook his head. "Of course not. I was also helped by others. Now it's my turn." That moment reminded Raj how far he had come. Helping someone else gave him a strange joy. It made him feel strong and useful. As the weeks passed, Raj began to mentor other students like Armin. He organized a small group where international students could meet every Friday and practice English through simple games and stories. The room was always full of laughter. They played word games, told funny stories from their home countries, and shared snacks. Raj always made sure everyone felt included. Some students were shy at first, but Raj gently encouraged them. He would say, "It's okay to make mistakes. I make them too. That's how we learn." Everyone loved the group. Even some local Canadian students joined to learn about other cultures. Raj's room slowly became a place where people from all over the world came to feel at home. One day, his teacher called him to the office. "Raj, the college is organizing a cultural festival next month. Would you like to give a speech about your journey?" Raj felt nervous. A speech? In front of everyone. The teacher nodded. "Yes. You're a great example of how hard work and kindness can make a difference. Your story will inspire others." Raj thought for a moment, then said, "Okay, I'll try." For the next 2 weeks, he practiced every night. He wrote his speech in simple English, just like he had learned it. Leo helped him with pronunciation, and Emily helped him make the speech more natural. On the day of the festival, Raj stood on the stage in front of hundreds of students. His heart was beating fast. He took a deep breath and began. "My name is Raj. I come from a small village in India. When I came here, I could not speak English well. I was scared. Everything was new. I made mistakes. But I did not give up. I listened, I practiced, and I asked for help. Today, I stand here speaking to you in English. It is not perfect, but it is mine.